Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your hair color in photo using EPIK photo editor. So I've already opened the EPIK apps and import a photo, and it's basically just so easy. If you want to change your hair color, just go to portrait menu and then swipe until you find hair color option. So just click on that, and in here there are four like so many color that you can choose. For example, ash gray, ash blue, and also the other color. So there is also like two-tone color like this. Okay, I'm going to choose this, for example, and you can also adjust the intensity of the color, and you can also made some correction in the hair area, for example, like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.